Hey, thanks for tuning in to another video on Fishing in 3D. Over the winter months, I wanted to build something just a little bit different. So I noticed in a lot of the pickups in their trailer hitch receivers, people are putting the inserts in there to put their favorite football or state or whatever. And I thought, gosh, I think I would like to do that. You know, this looks like fun. So I built one of course, I'm in Texas, so I built one out of the state of Texas with the Cowboy Hat. But the thing I did a little different is I made it to where there's an insert in them right here, and you can print pretty much what you want. As long as it'll fit inside that square, I can print it for you, as long as it's not like real vulgar stuff, you know what I mean? But anyway, and then it will fit in here and glue in, and you're good to go. And like I say, this is just a prototype. It fits a little loose. I don't have a hole poked in it yet. This to kind of give you some idea of what it's going to look like. So there you go. Pop it in, you're good. So I hope you like it. If you have any comments, put them down below. Good, bad, indifferent, I don't care. And let me know. You can find these on fishinginthreed.com, eBay, or Etsy, probably within about a week after this video's cut.